Have you ever wondered if a simple glass of juice could hold the key to a longer, healthier life? Imagine sipping on delicious beverages that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also flood your body with nutrients, boosting your health and vitality. Today, we're unveiling 7 incredible juices that can do just that. Stick around to find out how these natural elixirs can transform your health and longevity. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the secrets of a healthier, longer life. Today, we're diving into the world of juices. Not just any juices, but those packed with powerful nutrients and antioxidants that can significantly improve your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, enhance your digestion, or simply enjoy a refreshing drink that benefits your body, we've got you covered. Let's embark on this journey to discover the 7 incredible juices for long life and good health. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging. Many of us turn to processed foods and sugary drinks, which offer little to no nutritional value. This can lead to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. But what if there was a way to nourish our bodies with natural, nutrient-dense drinks that could help prevent these issues and promote longevity? Number 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in the body. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can enhance heart health and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Plus, its tangy sweet flavor makes it a delightful drink any time of the day. Number 2. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which can convert into nitric oxide in the body. This process helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Beetroot juice is also known for boosting stamina, making it a great pre-workout drink. Its earthy taste might be an acquired one, but the health benefits it offers are undeniable. Number 3. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Additionally, carrot juice can improve liver function and detoxify the body. Its naturally sweet flavor makes it a favorite among many juice enthusiasts. Number 4. Green juice. Green juice, typically made from a blend of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley, is a nutritional powerhouse. These greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Green juice helps detoxify the liver, improve digestion, and boost the immune system. It might take some time to get used to its earthy taste, but the health benefits are well worth it. Number 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for its role in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. It contains compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the bladder walls. Cranberry juice is also rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress. Its tart flavor is refreshing and can be easily sweetened with a bit of honey. Number 6. Ginger-turmeric juice. Combining the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and turmeric, this juice is a potent health elixir. Ginger aids in digestion, reduces nausea, and combats inflammation, while turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This duo can help alleviate arthritis symptoms, improve brain function, and enhance heart health. Its spicy and slightly bitter taste can be balanced with a touch of lemon or honey. Number 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its soothing and healing properties. It aids in digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports the immune system. Aloe vera is also beneficial for skin health, promoting hydration and healing. Its mild taste can be easily enhanced with a splash of lemon or mixed with other fruit juices. Incorporating these incredible juices into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. Imagine starting your day with a glass of refreshing green juice, boosting your energy with beetroot juice before a workout, or winding down with a soothing aloe vera juice. These simple changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being, helping you lead a longer, healthier life. Each of these juices offers unique health benefits, from boosting your immune system to improving heart health and aiding in digestion. By incorporating them into your diet, you can enjoy delicious, natural drinks that nourish your body and promote longevity. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the best juices for a healthier, longer life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can benefit from these incredible juices. And as always, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Here's to your health and longevity. Cheers!